Okay, here you go, guys. I'm here to trying to give a video on how to put on the LCD protection film for a ExoPC. Actually, one thing I don't really like with this kind of ExoPC is the screen is too glary. So and it's kind of surface like which attracts lots of fingerprints on it. So that's one of the thing I wanted to put a protection film on it. The thing is, yeah, it's also probably gonna protect the screen from the scratch, something like that. Okay, so here is which I bought from eBay. It's called LCD protection film, and this one is basically for 15.6-inch screen, white screen. Why I'm buying this is because I wanted to put this protection film on the full screen, not just on the display area. So that's why I bought this type of film. Okay, here is some of the tools I'm probably gonna use. Scotch tape and the scissors, a little scissors, and knives. There's one which we normally gonna use. It's kind of a blade knife, and another one is called mat knife. It's something which I usually use to cut my matting stuff for my photos, because I'm also a photographer. So I'm going to try to see which one is better to use, because they both thin and they both very sharp. But for this type of film, which one is better, I'm not quite sure, so I'm gonna probably try it later on. Also, I got a permanent marker. I will probably need to use it to mark something. And also, I got this cleaning wipe. Okay, it's called, the brand is Optical. It's called Optical Professional cleaning wipe, and this is for cleaning those surfaces which has reflective thing. Like I use it often to cleaning my camera lens, and it also can be used to cleaning the LCD screens, whatever. We also use it very often to cleaning up the computers, like because we're a computer shop. So when we repair laptops, we are going to use this one to clean up the screen of the laptops, and after the cleaning, it's going to be very good. So this is a actually very good cleaning little thing to use. Okay, the only thing is you don't mess it up with a condom. Okay, cool. And I have a punch tool. This punch tool is using to punch holes on the some kind of thing, and this punch tool has some heads, different size of heads, which you can use them to punch different sizes of the hole on the surface, which is mostly you use it to get the hole on kind of a sheet, or on kind of like even your belt. You can punch the hole on the belt too. So this is quite useful. It's about I bought it today about $10, around $10, so it's not quite expensive. Why I'm using this is because I think I will need to punch the holes on the protection film, because on the ExoPC you can see there is some of the places like the camera and here is the soft touch key, and beside the key is two little LED indicator to give you the status of your ExoPC. And also besides that, there is a light sensor, which to get the lighting, so it control your lightness on your screen. So I don't want this thing to be covered by the protection film, so I guess I will need to punch the hole to correspond on the places for the thing, so I can just easily do this with this punch tool. Okay, anyway, so now I'm opening this one, the protection sheet. It's called LCD protection film. No need of adhesive tapes, but application of self-absorptive silicone films makes installation very easy. Okay, the size of this one is, as I said, it's a 15.6 inch. It's 344.5 millimeter wide, 195 millimeter high, and the thickness is 0.25 millimeters. So I'm opening this one. Okay. Here we go. We have two little cloths. I think it's used to cleaning up the cleaning up the surface and something like that. Okay, here is the sheet. There's two labels here. Is one blue label, one is the red label. So is there any instruction here? So peel off the mold release sheet on the LCD protection films and attach the silicone film on the mold release sheet 1 onto the LCD screen. So that means there's actually two labels. One label okay, we only there's a blue one, the blue one, and the red one. Which what we're going to do is we're going to peel off the blue one first, and we're gonna attach this side surface onto the screen. So after that we remove the red one. Remove the red one. So the red one, when we remove the red one, that side should be the surface where we're going to facing every day and use it every day. So anyway, now I'm going to need to figure out how to put the sheet on this surface. First of all, I guess the thing is I'm gonna need to lie this protection sheet on the surface, and I'm gonna align these two sides, because later on the only thing I need to cut is on this side and this side. So here we go. We're gonna lie on it at one, and then we are going to mark the exact position of the camera and the light sensor and so on, those places which we don't want them to be covered by the protection sheet. So I guess here is perfect line. we don't really need to have exactly the size, how big is the camera. I'm just going to use the permanent mark pen to mark the okay, so here this is a place for the camera, and this is the place for the this is the place for the soft key, and here is a place for the sensor. So I'm gonna mark this like this. Okay. Here you go. I guess I have did this thing. Maybe this is a little bit. Okay, I guess I have marked everything cool. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a punch tool to make the hole on this protection sheet. See, I have marked the place. This place is for the camera, and these are for the sensor, light sensor, and the status indicators, the LED, and also these little spots is for the what they call soft key. Okay, so I'm just going to punch them a hole. So what I'm gonna need to do, I'm gonna use the biggest head which I can use to punch the hole, which just want to make sure that my okay, so here is what I'm gonna punch. I think that's all I can do. Okay, so hear something? Yeah, I think it's been punched. There you go. See, I have punched a hole here, which seems cool.